Well, this is an incredibly exciting day. I got home from London yesterday to find this package waiting for me. This is from the printers who are making the cards for Chronicles of the Kingdom. This represents the culmination of the last 7 years working on the game, from using a Sharpie on a pack of cards to making my first rough prototype, which I've been playing with youth from the local couple of churches for the last 7 years, now to a final production version, remastered and ready to go. So let's check it out, see what we got. Alright, let's have a look inside. You might not be able to see this, but that says just there, content description, 2 card box sets. So we've got 2 samples inside. Oh, I'm opening it. This is so exciting. And hard, right. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Okay. Look how packed it is. I mean, it makes sense, to be honest. This is a massive box, and actually the cards are going to be a lot smaller. This just packing, right? It's got nothing in there. Okay, this is the real deal. Let's move this out of the way. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay. Whew. Well, thankfully, I'm not going to destroy anything with my knife, because it's super well packed, which is good. We don't want anything damaged. I'm actually so excited. Tape, lots and lots of tape. Oh, I'm knocking the camera and everything. I'm good at this game. Okay. Oh, this is like Pass the Parcel. Very good. Oh man, that has got a good weight to it. 2 packs in here. It's like a grown-up game of Pass the Parcel. It's amazing. This is definitely what Pass the Parcel should feel like. Maybe it is. Maybe when you're a kid, this is what Pass the Parcel feels like, how exciting it is. Ooh, slice through that. Don't want to do too much of that. Is this going to be a better way of doing it? I'm very excited. Ready? Oh, it's the reveal! Is it? Oh, it is! Ooh! Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Okay, great. We'll come to this in a minute. Look at these! Look at these. Okay, we only need one. We only need one. I'm going to put that one to the side. I'll leave it there, just in shot. Wowee. That is so nice. Oh, I'm so pleased with the shiny bits. So good. Look at that shine on it. Oh, and it's a nice sturdy box too. This is good. Oh. Yeah, I am really pleased with the quality of this box. Very pleased that it's like proper sturdy. That it's not like a I've got a couple of packs of Uno. No disrespect to Uni, but they come in these really flimsy packs, and I just didn't want anything in such a flimsy pack. And this is a good solid box, so very pleased with that. Okay, love it. That's the box. So here are the cards. So these 2 are the instruction cards. Read this card first and this card second. So we go. Here's the actual boys. Look at that. Can you see that? See the shine on that? That is nice. They are, oh, yeah, but they are nice, good quality cards. Yeah, very, very good. So, I've played a lot of Magic the Gathering in the past, and my boys have played Pokemon, and they all have a very. So this is basically the specification I asked for was the same as those. So the thickness and durability is the same as your popular trading card games. So these will hold up very well. But they just look so nice, don't they? Look, oh, I'm so pleased with the quality of the pictures. So when I for the event that I ran at church, I ordered some just some cards from Instaprint, basically online, and I sent them. So I uploaded my own files, but I used PNGs, and the quality came through absolutely terrible. Let me show you actually. Let me just do a comparison of what came through. Where did I put them? Here they are. So this is what we were using at the event that I ran at my church recently. So let's see if we can find. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. You can see the difference in quality. Look at that. Maybe can you? You might not be able to tell. This one's really blurry. Okay, this is super blurry. The picture's all pixelated. It looks terrible. The writing's all blurry. It's just naff. Whereas this is so crisp. This is a thing of beauty, and I love it. It genuinely is so good. Can you see the difference in quality between? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So good. I am so pleased with these. Beyond pleased. This is amazing. This is a real product. This is the real deal. That's so good. So I've been printing my own at home on my my home printer, which has been taking some punishment. I realised that I've been using a thick card, like 160 GSM. I don't even quite know what it stands for. 160 gram card, and realised that I'm only meant to be using 80. So it's been struggling, and look at the quality of this. So to have something that is beautiful, these genuinely are beautiful. I am so pleased with how these have come out. That's so good, so good. This is amazing. This is a genuine, a real game, and it looks like a real game. I can't believe it's come out so good. I genuinely can't believe it's come out so good. It's amazing. The colours look so nice. Something that happened on my home printer is these colours all started to look the same. So my green and my turquoise were ending up looking very similar. The blue and the turquoise were looking similar. So to see them printed and see them looking distinct is wonderful. Like I say, this writing's so crisp. The pictures are so clear. Yeah, it's amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm so pleased with this. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. And the box looks so good as well. And the fact that the box is so is not flimsy. Oh. I will get it open. It's because I shut it with no cards in. Yeah, it's you could play in a band with this. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how this has come out. It just looks so good. Did I mention I'm pleased with it? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Look at that. So the Kickstarter, my current plan is to launch the Kickstarter for the end of May. We are at the beginning of May right now. If you want to get your hands on a copy of this beautiful game, genuinely beautiful, then please, please, please go log on to the Kickstarter website. There's a link on the Chronicles of the Kingdom website, which is chroniclesofthekingdom.co.uk. Go to chroniclesofthekingdom.co.uk if you've not used Kickstarter before. If you know how to use Kickstarter, just go there. chroniclesofthekingdom.co.uk. Just scroll down a tiny bit and there'll be a link to the Kickstarter. If you go to the Kickstarter, at the moment it's not live, but you can click on Notify Me on Launch. If you click on Notify Me on Launch, then currently the plan is the 26th of May. That may change, but when that goes live, you'll be able to essentially pre-order a copy of these, so that when the printed versions come through, when I last spoke to the printers, they said they'd come through end of June. I think that time may have slipped by a couple of weeks, so we'll have to see. I'll get back in touch. They're waiting for me to say whether or not I like these, and obviously I do. So I'll go back to them and say I'm very pleased with these, and they can start the full production run and get them shipped over. So we could be looking mid-July for that. But in the meantime, we'll launch the Kickstarter, and you can pre-order a pack of these. So the other thing brings me to this. So as part of the Kickstarter, there will be a number of Kickstarter exclusive things that you can get your hand on. Let me open this. So there's two different things in here. When I made the first prototype of the game, it had a couple of different cards in it. So when I made this version, I added a few cards which I realised were probably significant and I wanted in the game, and I took out a few lesser events, and these have been produced as a mini expansion. So let me open this. So this here is a mini expansion to the base game. And so this is 3 cards that didn't make it into the base game. So you've got the Philistines capture the Ark from Israel. You've got the Hand at Belshazzar's feast, and you've got Ezra returns to Jerusalem. So these are 3 cards which are not in the base game. They were removed in favour of some other more important cards as far as the theme of the deck. But I wanted to, because I'd designed these cards anyway, I figured why not? Let's make a Kickstarter exclusive mini expansion with these cards. So, and these have come out super well as well. They're just all, I can't get over the quality of these cards. They are beautiful, and I am so happy with how they've turned out. So yeah, so if you want to get hold of this mini expansion, only available at the Kickstarter, then do head over to Kickstarter, hit notify, and you'll find out when they're available. There's a limited quantity of these, so if you want to make sure you get your hands on them, I would back and get your order in as soon as you can from when it launches, because like I say, it's a limited quantity of these. And the first backers will get a free copy of this. So yeah, there you go. Otherwise, it will be an additional add-on that you can get your hands on. So that's the mini expansion. And there's one other thing. A very, very limited edition of me making the game. So this is me at my desk, at this desk, making the game. So I put this in just as a little fun thing. the first backers of the Kickstarter will get this, and I will sign it. Yeah, just as a bit of a thank you for being one of the first backers of the game. So there we go, and that's a bit of a little kind of souvenir type thing, collector's item, if you will. So there we go. So that is that's what we've got. I'm beyond pleased with how these have turned out, yeah, I'd be very, very grateful if you head over to Kickstarter, hit notify, and let's see if we can make this work. Thank you all for watching. I've been really excited by that. Hopefully you like what you see, because I do. Thanks again. Catch you next time.